no gold is not enough.
Welcome guys, in this video we will see some arithmetic operators in PHP. So currently I have this file. I'm going to remove this code here and I'm going to make it blank. Now when you be working on projects, there will be things when you have some user input you will be taking and calculating the taxes or maybe price or maybe discounts or coupons, anything you might want to do. So you should know how arithmetic operators works in PHP. So for example, let's say I have a dollar price and of a product. Let's say it's $10. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna say, what if user wants 5? Let's gonna calculate that one. So we're gonna say dollar price, or what I do, I also put here dollar quantity. Okay, so I say dollar quantity is 5. So here we want that like in the card we get final, sorry about the spelling, final price, which is going to be dollar price into quantity. So we're gonna put dollar quantity, and that's it. Now currently it's not going to display anything because we are not echoing out anything, so we say echo dollar final price. Alright, we save this, we go here, we refresh, we get 50. That's it. Now in some cases you might want to divide or find a remainder, so we can use that too. What we need to do here is I'm going to comment this one and I want to say, let's say the costing of some costing we are calculating now, and that's going to be dollar price, and I put here divide by dollar quantity. So we are dividing it now, and let's see what we get here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna comment this one out and echo, save this and refresh. There we get division by 0. Now let's go here. What happened? There is a spelling mistake here, sorry about that. We need to, okay, now when I refresh we get 2. Alright, now in case there is one more operator we use in PHP, that is remainder. So to see that, we can say here dollar remainder, and it's going to be dollar price, and we will put this and then dollar quantity. Okay, now we want to see this. What I do, I'm just gonna say here echo. Alright, now go here and refresh, we get 0. So what happened is, if you have 10 divided by 5, the remainder is 0. So it's going to be completely divided, so it's going to be 0. That's why we have 0 here. Now in some cases you might see, like if you know 5 is 3 as a power of 5, what is going to be the value? Those kind of mathematical operations, if you want to do, you can do that too. So let's say in that case what I do here, I'm simply going to echo out, let's say echo, and I want to say 3 into 5. Now I want to calculate 3 powers 5, so it should be, so we are going to do that using this. Alright, so if I do this and here and refresh, we get 243. Now we are getting here. So this is how you calculate that. Now this is something you will be using, so it is something you should have understanding how this behaves, because in some situation where you'll be using the divide, as well as some situation where you'll be using the remainder, you should be having the understanding, otherwise it might create problem or debugging your code. So I hope you like the video. See you in the next one.